In the Quran, it states, "The end of time, there will be a lot of zina taking place. There will be a widespread of zina." Look at the people today. We see teenagers who are 15, 16, 17. They are little kids. They themselves are committing zina with full sense of the consequences that they will have to face on the day of resurrection. What is zina, you ask? Zina is an Islamic term of unlawful sexual intercourse between men and women who are not married. Zina itself can include adultery, fornication, prostitution, rape, sodomy, incest, and even bestiality. Now, what is the punishment of zina in this dunya? The nur on your face is removed. Your life starts to sink in poverty. Your life is shortened. You get stuck in a loop of depression. Now let's talk about how can zina be committed. Zina of eyes is to look. Zina of the tongue is to have inappropriate conversations with the opposite gender, like, for example, flirting. Zina of the hands is to reach out, and the zina of the feet is to walk into it. You see now how it all begins with the eyes. Oh, what do? I have already committed zina? Seek forgiveness from Allah. Turn back to Allah before it's too late. Keep on seeking forgiveness because zina is a major sin. And trust me, my beloved brothers and sisters, Allah is the most merciful. He will forgive you no matter what it is.